There's a lot of buzz about how amazing this model AI bot called Chatgpt is. Hey, it's worth the hype. After all, Chatgpt only took 5 days to reach 1 million users. That's a significant improvement since Instagram. CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, stated that Chatgpt has reached 1 million users in just 5 days, which was most likely due to its features and potential, which have yet to be completely explored. There are numerous options to monetize your skills and knowledge with this powerful platform, ranging from offering advisory services to designing and selling chatbot-powered products or services. Chatgpt has something for everyone, whether you're a business owner trying to enhance your customer service or a developer looking to create unique AI solutions. Welcome to this channel. You can like, share, and subscribe for more views. And hey, don't forget to send your comments now. What methods can you utilize to make money online? In this video, we will learn about 10 different ways you may use this free bot to make money online. Hey, buckle up and let's talk about 10 different ways that you can use Chatgpt to make money online. Stay tuned. Nowadays, people search on Google for what is Chatgpt or what is Chatgpt AI. If you also searched on Google anything Chatgpt related and landed on this video, then first of all, thank you so much for watching this video on Chatgpt. So, what exactly is this Chatgpt everyone is talking about? Chatgpt means Generative Pre-training Transformer. Following the global launch of the Chatgpt tool, GPT is an online 100% free tool. The Chatgpt AI tool is a machine learning model created by the OpenAI website. Chatgpt was created using artificial intelligence to talk like a human, but it is not a human. If you ask a question in Chatgpt AI, you will receive a text response within a second. You can earn money online while staying at home and making no investment. Now, the million-dollar question is, how can you make the most money with Chatgpt? There are numerous ways to generate money using Chatgpt technology, and the internet is replete with information on how to do so. However, in this video, we only present 10 methods that are certain to work, and you can make as much money as you desire. Here are the top 10 methods to earn money using the Chatgpt. Number 10. Give copywriting services to businesses. The simplest approach to earn money with Chatgpt is to provide copywriting services to businesses. Many businesses require assistance in developing engaging copy for their products and services, and may require additional resources or experience in-house. By providing copywriting services, you may assist businesses in developing compelling and successful scripts to help them reach their objectives. You will, however, need great writing skills as well as an awareness of what makes chatbot material effective. You may also need to become acquainted with the individual requirements and goals of each organization with which you deal, as well as the features and capabilities of Chatgpt. Continue to look for new methods to communicate with the chatbot via YouTube, articles, Twitter, Facebook, and other media. You may utilize Chatgpt to write high-quality text that will help businesses flourish with their products and services if you have the proper skills and expertise. Number 9. Email marketing services. Because it provides the third highest ROI of any marketing medium. Email marketing is used by 64.1% of small firms. Businesses, on the other hand, struggle to convert email traffic into sales. You may help them by writing appealing subject lines and email content. The most common sorts of email marketing are email sequences, newsletters, retention, and promotional emails. Are you into this? Don't be alarmed. Use the Chatgpt Tech AI to help you with email marketing and generate more money. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a company compensates one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought in through the affiliate's own marketing efforts. An affiliate is a person or company who promotes a product or service on behalf of another firm and earns a commission on each sale made through their referral link in affiliate marketing. Pay attention. Every 4 points is equal to 2 points to start your own blog and advertise affiliate items. When the products are sold through your referral link, you get a commission instantly. It's a simple ratio. Number 7. Make a product description for other businesses. Companies such as Amazon and Flipkart pay content writers to write about their items. This service is also offered on internet marketplaces such as Fiverr and Upwork. Create a gig based on the product description, and you'll be well on your way to receiving your first order. Number 6. Making blog posts. Writing blog articles is an excellent way to communicate information about anything. If you write content, you can sell it on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Guru, Upwork, and others. It is quite simple to write articles and website content with Chatgpt technology. You can also use Chatgpt to make notes and sell them on other websites like Amazon and StudyPool. There are various websites where you can earn money by selling your own notes. Starting your own blog entails designing your own website and providing articles relevant to your area. You can earn money using AdSense if your website appears in Google search results. Number 5. Simply create ebooks. Using Chatgpt technology, you can build your own ebook and sell it on another platform. There are many websites where you can sell these books and earn money. But in order to create an ebook, you must first understand how to create an ebook and how to capture the interest of readers. Number 4. Remote freelancing work. Freelancing is a phrase used to describe the job of persons who are self-employed and are not long-term committed to a certain company. Freelancers are independent contractors who provide project-based services to clients. Writers, graphic designers, web developers, marketers, and consultants are all examples of freelancers. They may work for numerous clients at once or concentrate on a single project for a lengthy period of time. Depending on the nature of the work and the preferences of the freelancer and the customer, freelancers may work from home, a co-working facility, or a client's office. Number 3. Social media posts. Use the Chatgpt to generate text based on a prompt, such as the objective and target audience of your social media post. Examine the generated content and choose whatever thoughts and facts you wish to include in your post. Edit and improve the wording to make it clear, succinct, and interesting. Number 2. Start a food recipe blog. This is one of the most straightforward ways to earn money with Chatgpt. You must create a website and begin writing recipes. You can check the channel videos for the video on how to create a blog. Have you never cooked before? Are there no recipes worth posting on the blog? Simply ask Chatgpt. That's how easy it is. However, because Chatgpt is only updated till 2021, you may get old and dull recipes. Don't take a chance on your finest chance to make money. Chatsonic is the greatest way to receive the most up-to-date recipes because it is directly linked to Google data. Number 1. Write a YouTube video script. Though Chatgpt has limitations, creating a script for a YouTube video is fairly simple. Create a script using the Chatgpt model that provides the topic and objective of your video. A question such as, write a script for a YouTube video about how to construct a successful affiliate marketing campaign will generate text. Examine the generated text and choose what to include in your script. Chatgpt is a strong tool that provides different ways to earn money. Chatgpt can assist you in providing copywriting services, automating YouTube videos, or creating chatbots for enterprises. Chatgpt's powerful natural language processing skills can assist you in creating interesting and intriguing content to attract and keep customers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.